Yeah, good morning, guys. Hello.
Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
Good morning. What was the last topic we were seeing yesterday?
unstructured to JSON to CS like semi-structured. Right?
Okay, no problem. We'll just continue now.
Samir, like just one question. Like, how much time it will take today then? It like till 7:30 or like it will extend?
8 o'clock. Okay, guys. So file format. Okay. So we were looking at the file format. So let's go ahead now. The same case study. And the title of the case study. I think the explanation part I have given you yesterday. Am I right?
Yes,
So let's give this title.
theoretical part is completed.
Pardon me.
Theoretical part completed.
Okay. Copy data from Azure blob storage. Okay, what's it? Copy data from Azure blob storage, and this is nothing but the JSON file to Azure SQL database. Okay, Azure SQL database. So this is the title we have it. So let's go ahead with the specifications of the day. So guys, these are the specifications. So let's go ahead on this. Source data storage is the Azure blob storage. File. So I'm using the file called students.json, and I'm using the sync data storage Azure SQL database. Okay, so Azure SQL database. And now just a minute. Azure SQL database, and then I want a table here. STG underscore students info. I want this table. Okay. Fine. So this is the data. This is the information and the specifications of the day we have it. So guys, let's go ahead. Yesterday I already told you now how the JSON looks like everything. Okay, guys.
Yeah,
So now shall you move ahead with the practical now?
sure.
So I'm starting up the practical. So here you have it. The first one is the guys, everyone. The first one.
We are a notebook only, so notepad.
Hmm, just a minute. So now this is fine. So I'm just sharing the screen once again because you may not be able to see this one. Okay, guys. So start with this, the resource group. So click on the create and give it here. So I'm using let us give the name here. So I'm using the what is it? JSON. All of you JSON to uh, SQL DB RG. That is the thing I'm using it. So use it here. Review and create. Okay, guys. And then next one is open this. So now, soon after this, let's create a Azure SQL. That is nothing but the blob storage. So click on the create, everyone. So here you have it, everyone. The storage account name. So I'm giving the storage account name as a source blob JSON. Fine, everyone. Source blob JSON. So this as this is a blob storage, simply review it and then click on the create. That's it, guys. So now once it is done, I'm just going to the next one. I'll start up the services because services creation, it's the main time taking process. So I'll start the service. So here you have it. So guys, here you have it. I'll take the SQL database, that is my target. So just click on the create tab. Select the same resource group. And now the data, next one, we have the database. So give the database name. What's the database name? So let's give it target DB. Define the server. So guys, I'm giving the server Durga Soft server. Yeah, guys, are you there? Please respond.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm giving the name Durga admin. Durga admin and the password. So here, anyways, you need not worry. Just see here. So guys, just a minute. So here you have this one to go to the basics.
Yeah.
Pricing tier. Select the pricing tier.
You have to select basic.
No, vCore is suggested, advised by the Microsoft, but for the cost cutting purpose, I'm using this. Just select it here. So the basics is done. Selected the pricing tier. And next on this, that's it. And next is click on the networking tab.
Yeah, sorry for interrupt, Samir. Backend noise is coming. Please click
Pardon me.
on that. Backend noise is coming. Can you please mute on that?
What is that voice you're getting?
Yeah, someone unmuted. Can you please mute on that?
Someone is here. No one is there. Just let me check. All of them are on mute or not. Who's this? Actually, who said this one? Everyone is on mute. Yeah, tell me. Review and create. Now, please tell me. Now, is it again coming? The voice?
No, no. Continue. So,
What was that voice actually? Okay, anyways, I'm using the source. The source is ready, guys. On the left blade, click on the container. And now click on the container, new container, guys. So I'm giving the container name as a input. Open this. Now upload it. Yes, guys, everyone, just upload it. Are you there, guys?
Yes, Samir. Yeah.
yes, yes.
I'm uploading the file. Browse. I'm using students. the file now. Upload it. That's it, guys. So close it, everything, and check before we use it. Okay. Edit. So guys, here you have it. Student's name is Carol. Marks. Marks is the another second key we have it. Under this key, it is under the array form. That means under the marks only you have student ID, hall ticket, city and email. All this comes under the marks only. Okay. Then you have result is a separate key, and the pass is the value for the key. Okay. Getting my point, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Likewise, the same thing is there. You have two, JSON documents are there with the nested arrays, and finally you have this. So you know how to test with the data and all. Yesterday I showed you, and I need not repeat it once again. I hope so. Yes, guys, everyone. And this is the database which is ready now. Just open this. So I'm using it. So click on the query editor. That's it. Now the database is also ready. Okay, guys, now I'm starting up the session with the, so just open this data factory. And now again, what is it? You have it, data factory. So go, it's what? Data factory. And now click on the create tab. And now select the same resource group and provide the name here. So what is the name? Instance. JSON to SQL. That's it. This is fine. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Let's wait to start up all the services. Now this is also ready. So click on this OK. Now, guys, what is the next thing you have to tell me? Please, somebody.
Okay. Launch a Visual Data Factory Studio and create the link with services.
Yeah. So to begin from the process, what is it you have to do? First of all, you have to launch the studio. Launching means opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, rest of you, what happened? Please respond.
Need to create the linked services.
Yes. So first of all, now we have to create the linked services anyway. So
Go to manage.
So guys, now can you see you're into this? Just expand this tab and now go to the manage. And now start creating the link service. So first link service. The first link service you have to create it for what?
Blob.
Yes.
Blob storage.
So
Blob
create it
storage.
for the blob storage. Blob. Select the blob and now provide the name here. Use the name. ls underscore blob underscore source. So select the account key, everything is fine. Just select the subscription, you have it. And now select this one. There's the connections. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Second link service, you have to create it.
Azure SQL.
So for that, you have to use the Azure SQL. So use it here. ls underscore SQL DB underscore
Sync.
string. To select the database, you have the target database. This is the server name you have selected, and give the Durga admin and the password is the same password which you have used at the time of creating. Now testing connection is fine.
Samir, we are getting echo voice, Samir.
Somebody is on unmute. That's not from my end. All of you put it in a mute mode, you will not get it.
And now it's not getting.
That's it, guys. Everyone, so the things are ready now. Let's go ahead now. So now next one is, what is that you have it? Let's go ahead. Okay. So now I'm going ahead with this author. I'm going ahead with the author. So go use the data sets. So first of all, create the data set. So I'm using the blob. To use the blob. Use the blob. So again, use a JSON here to provide the name. So what's it I want to tell you now? DS underscore JSON underscore blob. Am I right? So today I have a JSON. So far we don't used to select the JSON. Now today I'm selecting the JSON now. Select it here, everyone. And now guys, everyone, manage it. Input select students JSON. Click OK. And now guys, select what is that? Tell me now. One more data set you have to create it. Click on the new tab. And here you have to create which data set? Tell me now, guys, everyone.
SQL DB.
SQL. Okay, SQL DB. So just select it here, SQL DB, and provide the name DS underscore SQL DB underscore students info. Select it here. Link service we have created already. So now, guys, all of you just select it here. Do you have any table here? Click the, yeah, tell me, do you have any
No.
table? So click on
No,
the
we
edit.
don't have.
So you have to assign it. So click on edit and give the name. So DBO, sorry, default schema. Again, now I'm using what's it? STG underscore students. Means staging underscore students, you can say. Staging underscore students. Okay. staging underscore students. That's it. Click on okay. That's it, guys. Click on none. If you click on OK directly, it will throw an error. Just see, it will throw you an error now. Now, what is it I want? I want to click on none. None means what? Table is not there. Need not import the schema for this table. Click on OK. Fine, everyone. Now, see everyone. Is this ready now?
Yes. Want to copy like
Ah, so just go to the pipeline now.
copy.
New, and now give the name here, pipeline name. So use a PL underscore JSON to SQL DB. That's it. Okay. This is the thing we have it. So the move and select, move and transform. So guys, select the source,
Yeah.
select the source data set.
Microservices.
Fine now.
Yes.
Select the
Yes.
select the sync data set. And now actual select here auto create table. Select what? Auto create table, guys. Everyone, auto create table selected. Okay. Now, guys, once the things are like this, the actual job is in mapping. Now you have to do it. The actual job is in what? Mapping. So click on the mapping tab. Yeah. Guys, here you have to do the actual job, everyone. Everyone. This is the actual job, which is called as typecasting. Which is called as what? Typecasting. It is called as what, guys? Everyone? Huh? Typecasting. So
Typecasting.
yes, that means designing the whole structure of your sync system. Okay. Or we can say designing the column structures, you can say. So now, guys, once you click on the mapping, so don't use import mapping. Click on the advanced mapping. Click on what is that? Advanced editor. Advanced. Click on this. And now, guys, collection reference. So here you have a collection reference. So just click on this. You have marks as an array. Am I right? Marks as
Yes.
an array. So you want to see that file? I will show you. Don't worry. Where is the file? Okay, what I will do is go to the input and open and show it to you. Now. That's better. So here you have it. Marks is an array. That means here you have this one is in the array. Na? So this is called as collection reference. Okay, my God. Okay, everyone. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Marks is a collection reference here. That means here marks is called as a collection reference. That means it is in the array form. The data for the marks variable is given in what is that? Array form where it consists of student ID, hall ticket, city, and email. 4. Getting my point? Huh? And finally end it and just close the array. That means this all is what? This all is what? One column data only. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Following or not?
Yes, sir, we are following.
So that's it. So come back. Selected the marks. Now, how the data will come? Marks dot. Tell me now. How the data will come actually? Marks dot SID. Marks dot hall ticket. Marks dot city. Marks dot email. Okay now?
Yes, Samir.
Yes.
Yes.
So everything will come like this. So just select it this one. Marks is ready. Fine, everyone. And now click on. Can you see here? Click on the new mapping. Click on the new mapping. And now select it here. So what is that you want actually? Okay. So that you can just select it here. Marks SID. Marks SID I wanted. First is SID. So give the name here, name of the column. That means, see, I'm just trying to map it manually here. Okay. So here I'm using as what? This is the first one. And I'm using another new mapping, everyone. This is the second one. S name. Select the SID. S name is also there, no? I want like this out of the box. That means why it is not getting marks.s name, because it's independent here. Just check here. S name is out of the marks. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
First,
Correct,
yeah, first I want what's it? Student ID. Then I want student
Student.
name. I want name. I want. So from wherever I'm getting, I'm just collecting it. Okay. Just I require to put it in the proper form. That is my main motive. And now click on the new. Then select the hall ticket. Some you can select it if whatever you want. I'm selecting the hall ticket. Marks, that means 0. Can you see it? Marks O student ID. Marks O, where is marks 0 hall ticket. Now click on. Huh? Yes, ma, please tell me. In out? Hello. Then you have yeah, tell me. What's the next thing you have it? Yes, please tell me.
All ticket, city, email.
What is it you want to select it? Hall ticket is selected now.
Yes,
So
then
I
you
can
can
select
select
city.
the
City.
city.
Fine, everyone. Or else I can select the email also if you want. Hall ticket. Then I want the email. As per the wish, doesn't matter here. Okay. No issues at all. See, again, new.
Samir, if we have like 200 columns, then we need to map 200 columns.
Manually, you have to do it. Definitely, you have to do it because there is no other way. Typecasting is like that. That's the job now. If this is there, if this is done by you, or if this is done by some other person, or nowadays to just cut short this kind of a job only, you have this chat GPT. We are using it.
Okay.
That's to
Okay.
cut off this type of job only.
I mean, is there no way that I can import the JSON file directly over there and it automatically parse those attributes? I mean, parse those fields.
Parsing fields. How can you do it? Tell me. As of now, data is
No,
like that.
I'm just request. I just wanted to know: is there no any facility out here in the, because I'll tell you from background. When I used to work in Informatica, we can import it and we have it feature in one of those tool. We can do it, the passing directly. So you just have to give the format and it will automatically pass the entire file, and then you can whatever the attribute you wanted, you have to perform a join and need to pull it. So I'm just try to correlate it.
Okay. Name. Again, I have hall ticket now. Email. Next one, what is it you have finally?
City.
City. And finally, I want one more column is also needed, no? So use it here, new city, and then select the Result is also there. Am I right? We've not ended with city. Result is also there. Am I right?
Yes.
Result is also there. That's it, guys. Finally, okay. See, the whole data is ready now. Okay. This, anyways, depends upon you how to select it, how to do it. Okay. So that's it, guys. So I'm just minimizing this. So finally, just have a look on this. I'm pulling it above. See everyone. And now you have to define the data type also. So select for this one, select the int 64-bit. Okay, int 64-bit as the data type for this one. And the student name is, I want the string. Data also you have to define it. For the hall ticket, select the int 64 as the bit. And email, I want a string here. Following everyone.
Yes,
Yes.
Samir.
Yes.
And city also, I want a string here. And the result also, I want a string.
Similar int 64 means we need to store 64 character in.
64-bit, I think so. It's bits basically, bits,
Okay.
not 64 size what we talk. Okay. Anyways, guys, this is the thing we have to do. That's it now. Okay, and just a minute. Let me check if anything is left out.
Samir, like just one question, like what if like we have multiple collections references? See here
Ah,
we selected marks, right? If we have
yes,
like one more collection reference, then
you can use that one. That's not a problem. Below that, you can use it. That what is your doubt exactly?
see like if we have a nested JSON in marks or like in some or like in after SID, we have marks, right?
Hmm.
In that JSON, if like after some column also we have some other collection references like marks, then how we going to select it
First, select the first
if we have a
reference.
multiple?
See, basically, this is the if you have marks. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a collection reference. You have it.
Yeah.
You have a 0 as the reference. Reference means what? First one, first point, 0.
Okay.
And if you have, again, you have some other collection reference.
Hmm.
Collection reference 2 is a student, which you have to take 1 as the same. You can take it here. So 0 means what? Some value will come. Let us say name. Some name will come. So you can select it multiple times. That's not a problem. Student means what? I can say hall ticket. Am I right? You can select as many as you want. That's not a problem, basically. That is the
Okay.
reason why it is given as manually.
Yeah, but then like here I can see like for to add those mappings, you have added like new mapping every time and you have added column. But for like collection reference, I can see only
See,
marks, right?
basically, if you
Huh.
wanted to convert it into structure, it requires some
Mm-hmm.
format to understand by the database. Am I right? You cannot
Yeah.
simply pull in the data in from the JSON to the this thing directly. That's the reason I have used that.
True, true. No, no, I just wanted to understand like if there are some other collection reference, then I just have to select that, and then again, if I add a new mapping, then it will
Seema,
add that schema and column, is it?
yeah,
Huh.
yes, Seema, you can do whatever you want. There is no restrictions and hard and fast rules for that. Okay. In whatever the form you want, you can take that data. Okay.
Okay.
You want first collection reference, then again you want the collection reference 2, collection reference 3. Then afterwards, later on, you want to give the data from the collection reference. That also you can do it. That's not a problem. Okay. That's it, guys. So I'm just debugging. Finished. Done now.
One more question, Samir, before proceeding ahead. So for adding collection reference, every time I have to create a new mapping.
Yeah. No. Once it is created, it will work. No problem. Just a minute. Let me check that point. Multiple collection reference. What you're talking about? Okay. See here, guys. Succeeded. Anyways, go to the database. So, guys, go to the database now, and now select it here. Select the table, everyone. Select the star from STG. Run. Got it now, everyone? See? Your structure is the data or not?
Yes, Samir.
That's it. That's it, guys. So now I'm coming back, everyone.
Yeah, when you start a Python, like,
See how many collection references you have, you will get it automatically here, guys. You did not create it again. Okay. One is enough. Getting my
Okay.
point? That's it.
Yeah. So in that Dropbox, all the collection reference will keep on coming automatically. We have to just
Yes,
select it whatever.
yes, exactly. That's it. Okay. Thank you, guys. So we'll meet again on Monday.
sir, when you start a Python,
Python is in not this batch. Python, you have to attend the other batch. I will let you know the Python which you want. Okay.
is informed to me.
Yeah, Samir, we are
Python.
creating
This is
yeah, Samir, we are creating database server with same name in almost all the sessions, right? This database server is going to check at the resource level or at the global level.
global level.
In that case, we are creating same server again and again with the same name, right?
Yes.
How it is going to be created in that case?
It's not there. That's the reason it's creating. If it is there, definitely it won't create. Okay. So you not worry on that. Basically, if it is there, then only it will create. If it is not available, it won't create. Sometimes, that's the reason. Sometimes I use a 99. So that's the reason. Sometimes I use 99.
Samir, we can create here parameter.
Why not? Definitely we can do that. We can do whatever you want. You can do it.
Yeah, we can create the parameter and we can pass this all source value there, right?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'm stopping the class. We shall meet on Monday again.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.